adventure 4x4 garage. The 2025 QX80 boasts a commanding presence with its bold and sophisticated exterior design, drawing inspiration from the QX Monograph Concept. It features a prominent double-arch grille reminiscent of bamboo forests, flanked by sleek, multi-element LED headlights. The sculpted body lines and flush door handles contribute to a modern and aerodynamic profile, while the full-width LED taillight bar at the rear adds a touch of elegance. The SUV rides on impressive 22-inch aluminum alloy wheels, enhancing its robust stance. Under the hood, the QX80 is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering 450 horsepower and 516 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. Despite the downsized engine from the previous V8, the new V6 offers ample power for confident acceleration and a towing capacity of up to 8,500 pounds. The ride quality is generally comfortable, though some firmness may be noticed over uneven surfaces. The steering is well-tuned, offering ease of maneuverability for a vehicle of this size. Stepping inside, the QX80's cabin exudes luxury and advanced technology. The interior is adorned with high-quality materials, including available quilted semi-aniline leather-appointed seating across all 3 rows. Front occupants enjoy heated and ventilated seats, while second-row passengers benefit from captain's chairs with available massaging functions. The third row offers generous space, comfortably accommodating adults. A standout feature is the dual 14.3-inch monolith infotainment screens with Google built-in, providing seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for enhanced connectivity. Audiophiles will appreciate the available 24-speaker Klipsch, a registered reference Premier audio system, delivering an immersive listening experience. Additional amenities include a panoramic glass moonroof, tri-zone advanced climate control with biometric cooling technology, and customizable ambient lighting with 64 color options. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Infiniti QX80 starts at $84,445 for the base model, with higher trims like the Autograph reaching up to $112,590. In Pakistan, the QX80 is available with prices starting around PKR $25,942,000. Depending on the selected trim and optional features. These figures position the QX80 competitively within the luxury SUV market, offering a blend of performance, luxury, and advanced technology. In summary, the 2025 Infiniti QX80 stands out as a compelling choice for those seeking a full-size luxury SUV that combines bold styling, robust performance, and a host of premium features. Its thoughtful design and attention to detail make it a strong contender in its segment. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your comments below.